Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change fonts on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, so click on what's on your mind, and here let's suppose I'm going to share a post and I'm going to write I am happy today, for example. And now I want to change the font, but as you can see there is no option, so you simply need to select this text. So let me select the whole text from here. Okay, and then you need to open any browser and search here font changer. So click on any website. So I'm going to open the first one, post your text here. So here you can see that. So from here I'm going to select this one. So let me copy this and go back on Facebook. And now let me remove this text first and paste that. So now you can see that text is changed. So now you simply need to post that. So this is the process by which you can change any text on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.